Hello once again, YouTubers. I hope you're doing fine today. We'll be doing another unboxing and review, and this time it's from the Hot Wheels Speed Graphics series. So this is the part of the JDM hype this year. This is the 2016 Honda Civic Type R. This is the blue variant. The first variant which came out was the white one without the Bisimoto logo at the side. Then this one and the red one. So we'll be doing the blue one. So this is part of the L case. So let's crack this one open. Now, as I've said, this is part of the great JDM hype of this year, since most manufacturers like Tomica, Hot Wheels, Greenlight, they have made a bunch of JDM cars, and that will continue on through 2019. So this one is the blue Civic Type R. The blue Civic. Type R. So this one is beautiful all around. It has front tampos. The headlights are beautifully painted. It has a red Honda logo at the front and the Type R logo below that. Excellent details. Even the grille, which is part of the plastic base, has excellent details. I like the rims on this one because it has the blue lip and with the low profile plastic tires. So at the side it has the Bisimoto logo, the Type R logo, and the Hot Wheels logo. At the back, which is somewhat its weakness, it doesn't have any tampons at the back, so there's a potential there for detailing. It also doesn't have a plate number. So it has two dual exhausts, which are part of the plastic base. So again, that would be a potential for detailing. You can paint chrome or silver paint on the exhaust tip. At the top, it has good details, good molding. So it has the antenna here. The interior is, I think it is gray colored and has good details. You can see the sport seats and the steering wheel. The dashboard also has good details. Rolls really good. Like most basic Hot Wheels or all Hot Wheels, it doesn't have suspension, but this is really a solid looking car. I love the paint, the color of the paint in this one, but the red one, which I will review soon, really looks better in my opinion. But this one looks really cool as well. Again, take another look at the car. Great looking car overall. So if you enjoyed this video, please do like and subscribe and click the notification icon. I'll be updating more, uploading more videos soon. Keep on collecting, and goodbye.